Wow, that's quite a snap. Well, with that, we welcome you to the 2023 and 2024 school year. Welcome to the Tide Show. A lot of you are brand new to the Harbour School, and this is one of the shows that we have here at the school with 2 students and teachers. We'd like to have more of you come and tell us lots of things. So I'll tell you what the Tide Show is about. But first, let's go see some previous episodes from last year. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Mr. Hussein, who do we have now doing our stunts?
Oh, editing takes so much time and it's better to do it with a lot of people. So what I did is that I duplicated myself and I've turned my clones into a Tide crew.
Awesome, I can't wait to meet them. Oh my gosh, you finally done it. I don't know why they're not wearing black. I don't know what's wrong with that guy. But you really replicated yourself. That's amazing, Mr. Hussein.
Well, occasionally I just let them be high school students.
Well, all right. Now we've got the Tide crew. Let's get on with the show. Big question. What is this show for? Well, raise your hand if you know. Okay, now everybody look around you, the people who've got their hands raised, go and ask them, what is the show for? What does it do? Teachers, please pause for a minute. Well, if you said any of these things, then you would be correct. Number 1, we share information. It's not just from me to you, it could be from you to us. We have a Say What feature where we can invite anybody, students, teachers, to come and share anything. We've learned about, I believe we've learned about eczema, we've learned about pandas, we've learned about animals, we've learned about all kinds of things. We even had an octopus and a dog come on the show. So if you have anything interesting to say, please email me, cgreenberg@ths.edu.hk, to be part of our Say What feature. So that's number 1, Say What. Number 2, we talk about learner goals. Learner goals are the goals that we have at school that we want to be better people, better students, better members of society. So that's what we're going to be doing in the show. This month's learner goal, well actually the beginning of the year's learner goal, is integrated among. Integrated among is being around other people, learning how to work with people, learning how to be around people, learning how to say, I don't like that you did this to people, or learning how to say, I love that you did that for me to people. So, those of you who know me know that I love so many things, but baking especially. So my challenge to you is a creative challenge, and I'm gonna have you listen really quickly. Hope everybody can do it. Is you know what happens in a recipe? It has something like you need 2 eggs to make a cake and a cup of milk. I would love to challenge you guys to right now think and raise your hand if you can think of what would go into the recipe for being integrated among. I'll give you an example. I'm gonna say my recipe for integrated among is 1 cup of understanding. You know why? Because we need to be very understanding when we're around people. They're not always perfect. I would also say 2 teaspoons of curiosity, because you want people to be curious about you. So now it's your turn to do that in your class. Teachers, please pause your video and please write down the answers, because later on I want to know what you've said in the recipe, and we'll make one big recipe for this. Have fun! Thank you so much for trying to attempt that task. It's a pretty tricky task. Teachers, please don't forget to send me some of your favorite things so that we can make a whole recipe for integrated among, created by everybody here at the Harbour School. And now for one of my most favorite parts of this show, Say What, which is an opportunity for everybody, students, teachers, to come and share something. So while we're waiting for you to submit all your stuff for Say What, I thought that we would demystify a big mystery of the school. You know what that is? If you guessed what is under the school, you would be correct. Come follow me. We went to check it out. So here we are, and by under the school, I meant this section. What are these blue things hiding? Well, to figure it out, I took last Thursday's Critter Club to unravel the mystery. Come with us, let's go. Miss Maroon, we want to check what's under the school.
What's the password? Okay, come follow me.
We're going in the basement of the school. It's not really a basement, it's a garage.
Who knows what we're gonna find there? Are there bats? Are there rats?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you gonna go in?
There's a merry-go-round. Oh,
Oh, it's scary when
my
it's the
God.
first thing we're seeing.
what are we saying?
Oh my god, what is
Oh my
that?
god, what is
Okay.
Why do we have
now? Describe the smell. What are you smelling?
Hungry. Oh my god, this is disgusting. This is disgusting.
Okay, here. Okay.
It feels like an abandoned movie.
Somebody-
We'll be trapped.
It's like really dusty.
There's literally a merry-go-round thing. It's really big.
It's creepy.
Come on, guys, let's go for it more.
It's giving creepy. Free TV, let's go.
Oh my god, what is that? What is that?
What is it?
Oh no, that's just gloves.
Oh. Is it a dead body? No, I'm joking. It's not a dead body. Don't start any rumors.
Oh my god, is that fish?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's fish.
It's from the water. What? Where?
It's a toy fish.
What? Why does it look real?
Okay. All right. So for our Say What feature, how was your trip?
Amazing.
Okay.
Why is there so much random stuff?
We just looked.
Well, we'll look in another section next episode. Say bye, guys. You survived. Whew. We survived that creepy experience. I feel like the Critter Club is scarred for life. Just joking. Anyway, right now, we're going to go check out what's going on in the library. Everything's so busy. Miss Ariel, Miss Selena, always super busy. I went to go and see how they're doing. Here it is.
Look, Miss Elena, we have so many books that need to be reshelved. I don't even know where to start.
I know, we're so tired and have no energy. And look, we don't even have hands. I just wish someone could help us.
Never fear, I am here! Ta-da!
What just happened?
I tried the biscuit prototype from Miss Greenberg and it gave me superpowers!
Oh, Mr. Hussein, look. I succeeded to make a chocolate version. You didn't try this one yet.
I must try it right away!
Wait, hold on a second. Well, actually, I might be able to make a strawberry too.
Oh, Miss Creeper, where can we get this energy balls?
Well, I'm not selling them yet. However, remember for Booktober, we're making them Friday the 13th at the library. Hey, you didn't tell them what's going on in Booktober yet?
Let us do this.
Okay, you guys do it. Come on, Mr. Hussein, let's try the matcha flavor.
Let's go!
Every year we have 1 month to celebrate reading, and it is coming up. Booktober! A lot of you have been asking us what is the theme for this year's Booktober. So as what you've just saw, why don't you take a guess?
If you guessed hero, you are right. There are 3 events we want to highlight.
You can read all about it in the bulletin, and if you have any questions, you know where to find us. Just follow the books!
Alrighty then. Well, that about wraps it up for today's show. So we started off with a snap and we're going to end with a snap. Here you go and have a great week.